Hey my gorgeous people, welcome back to another episode of my videos or my tutorials. So today I decided to play with these eyes look colors, and I'm playing the Ice Princess. Okay, and if you want to see the process of how we came about this look, please do not go anywhere. And if you happen to be on my channel for the first time, please support your girl by hitting on that subscribe button, also on the notification bell, so that when a video comes up you will get notified. So without wasting much time, let's delve into it. But I'm gonna try to make it as interactive as possible. I actually tried doing the live voicing, but it was impossible because of the noise in the background, and you know the kids were all making noise, so that's a mission impossible for me. So back to my voiceover. So now actually, as we all know, I like showing the full process of the look, starting from the eyebrow to the very last hand. We know the drill. I'm drawing my eyebrow using my Milani, and now I'm defining the eyes using my LA Pro Gel in the color of Creamy Beach to define those eyebrows to make it come out beautiful. So on my blending brush, I just use that to blend those out to give it a nice base for my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be using my Heartbreaker by Revolution. I do love this palette. It's really portable and has all the amazing shades of blue. Yeah, and now I transition, and my first color is that dark shade of blue there to transition with. And next I decided to go with the lighter blue. That's more easy, like the turquoise blue. I blended it into that other first color to make it come out, you know, smoother, to diffuse it in. That's the right word. So I noticed that color, the first transitioning blue I used wasn't dark enough. That is why I added this gray color to that first color down there. And now it's time to cut the crease using my P.louise base, and that's my acid rain brush. It's a flat brush. So at this point you want to make sure you are careful, because right now the video is it's kind of fast, but ensure to be careful so that you don't smear the base on the area where you don't want to apply the cut crease on. So you just have to be patient and carefully apply the base on the area you want to put the cut crease. So yes, I repeated the same thing I did on this eye on the other eyes, and that was it. So next, now I'm going to be using my Morphe 24A palette, using the pressed glitters we have on that particular area I pointed, the particular colors I pointed at. So because it's a pressed glitter, you have to be careful. All you need to do is use your flat brush. That's what I'm using, my flat brush, to plaster those eyeshadow, those glitters on that area. So but in most cases, if you notice it's not staying, you can also use your glue to apply on as a base before you put the glitters on, so that it can stay. But I didn't use glue in this case here because it was actually working well for me with the flat brush. So yes, the main aim is the wing eyes. So I used my Mary Kay there to apply my winged eyeliner, and yeah, because I needed to use blue. Most times makeup is more of improvising. If you don't have a blue liner, there are other ways to improvise. So here I actually did improvise. I used my black eyeliner as the base for the blue that I just applied now. The same blue I used as the first transition in color. So now what I did also, because I needed to create more like I love drama. I love drama when it comes to my makeup look, or yeah, if it has to be dramatic, like it'll be fully dramatic. So I used my P.louise acid rain. No, I think the P.louise base. I'll put the description. I'll put the colors in the description to put like an outer line on that line on my liner. That was what I just did there to achieve that light blue in the blue color. So the rest is, as we can see, I'm actually using my foundation. This method, I love this method because at the same time I'm highlighting my face and I'm applying my foundation all at the same time, also with my contour, as you can see. So I used my foundation and I used my Juvia concealer at the same time. So now the same color under my eye or my waterline is the same blue color I used initially on the eye lining as my eyeliner. Yes, and the other process is pretty much as it is, which is more self-explanatory. Okay, now I just use my powder to mattify that area, to blend out and to make my foundation sit properly. Yeah, now the glow time for the glow. I used my Sephora highlighting palette. Yeah, the other steps are pretty much self-explanatory. So what I want to do here is, because it's more of a ice queen look, you know, it's the winter season, so I decided to add a lot of shimmers and to add more glow. So I actually selected those glitters on those palettes that I pointed at on the cheek area. Yes. So this is pretty much what I did. So it's time for the lip. I'm using my Milano. This is Pupa from Milano. I'm going to put the colors in the description. And yes, I decided to go for a lips that's not too bright, because already the eyeshadow is really bright, so we don't need anything too shouting on the lips. It has to come out really calm. Afterwards, I'm applying my clear gloss to give it that shiny look. I want something glossy because it's all more of glossy. And this is the finished product, guys. Please, if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, hit on the subscribe button if this is your first time here. That's the way you can support this channel to grow. Yes, and do not forget to share and like the video. I want to say thank you all for being an amazing subscriber, for being an amazing supporter, for supporting me each and every step of the way. So enjoy this slide, and this is more the hand. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, guys, and bye for now.